Gotta keep your hand up. Oh!
Yeah.
Move, Haven. Kind of. There you go. Now take her down. Put her down on the ground.
Only during SUV season at your neighborhood Michigan.
Did you just eat my waffle?
Wait! See, y'all laughing too much.
She can. Come on, Lucy. You can do it. She can do it. She can do it.
Now want it off. She fell.
You can do it, Lucy. I'm gonna choke on a seat.
Okay, now you're going towards the right. You point.
Oh my God, princess. Oh, Dari.
Hoverboard. Watch him fall. I had to move you. I didn't want him to hurt you.
Go grab that, Brenda.
Help me. Help me. No, hold on. I'm going to
Oh, goodness. Oh my gosh.
Dad, get up. Get up.
This is
Papa, jump.
Jump with both legs.